Okay, I've got X13 open. It's just a big brother to Home Designer Pro. And I'm going to draw a couple of interior walls for this demonstration. Close that up. I'll call this kitchen. There it is, kitchen. Okay, now over here where you want that L-shaped opening, I assume it's about a 30 to 36-inch opening. So I'm going to draw a CAD line on the wall over here and then move it to the right. (32 inches). So I've got a point here. The reason I'm doing that is I want to use the wall break tool to break the wall right there at that point and make the rest of it, the isolated segment over here, invisible. Now, in an elevation camera, wall elevation camera, see, there's the invisible part. Here's the wall here. I'm going to click on the wall polyline. Excuse me, I clicked a little bit too hard. Use the tab key. There we go. I'm going to use the break tool in the edit toolbar this time. Let me show you that again. Click on the wall, hit the tab key. There's a break line tool. Add break. So in the wall polyline, I'm going to add a break. Then I can bring that down and set it to whatever height it is, 42 inches probably. And then this distance here, you can measure it out from there to there. I don't know what your dimension is, but you would set that dimension here. And then you look at this in a camera view. I can get rid of that CAD line now. There's your L-shaped doorway. Now, if you want to, see, it's going to show framing here where you broke the wall. If you want that to look like drywall, I couldn't tell in your picture exactly what it was. I'm going to click on the wall, hit the tab key, open the wall dialog, go over here to wall types, interior for wall, define, and change the framing from wood framing to drywall. Just for appearance's sake. There it is, drywall. If you want something more, see, now it just shows drywall because the framing layer is now drywall. And then if you wanted to put a different material up here, you could put a reshaped soffit and stick it on the top to have it emulate a countertop. In your picture, I couldn't tell if that was the case, but that's how you do that in Home Designer Pro or Chief. There's more, well, you have more choices in Chief, but in Home Designer Pro, I think this is what you would need to do to get the effect that you want, okay? Hope this helps you. Bye.